Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make this Christmas light. On my case I use Sinfonia brand yarn, but you can use whatever yarn that you prefer and also you can change the colors. This is the colors that I use. I will use gold color yarn on Age Light and also red, green, pink, another pink color yarn. Whatever color that you prefer will be okay. Also, for this yarn I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. I made a single crochet in a form of X, but if you made a single crochet in a form of V with the same yarn, Sinfonia brand yarn, it's better if you use 2.0 millimeters hook, but you can use whatever hook that you prefer. We will need scissors, wool needle, staff, and that's it. This is all the materials that we need to make this detail. We will start. In my case, I will show you using pink color yarn, and on round 1 a magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close the magic rain, and on round 2 put some mark. We will work in a spiral. We will make on round 2 6 increase and we will finish with 12 points. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same point, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round. On rounds 3 and 4 we will make 12 single crochet in each one. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 4. On round 5 we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, and 1 decrease. And we will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 8 points. And on round 6, 7, and 8 we will make 8 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same until round 8. And in the last single crochet on round 8 we will change to gold color yarn. Cut this yarn and make the union with gold color yarn. Start the single crochet using pink color yarn, and after the union you can finish this single crochet using a new color yarn. Take the gold color yarn, and that's it. On round 9 we will make 8 slip stitch, but this time taking the back loops only. Taking the back loop, 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hide this thread, and on round 10 we will repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round. This time we will take the back loops only, all times. Only the back loop. 1 single crochet, and in the next loop 1 increase. And we will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times more. We will finish this round with 12 points. And on rounds 11 and 12 we will make 12 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 12. When you finish the round 12, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for close and hide it and secure later. But after that, we will put the stuff. And later you can see how I close using a wool needle. Depending on the color that you use, you can organize in whatever position that you prefer. And now we will make the union using gold colored yarn. We will leave some thread on the beginning, and after that we will start this piece with the slip knot, and then 8 chains, or as many chains that you prefer for separation between each light. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take the loop because we will make one double crochet in each light. Take one, and taking like this, pay close attention, hold the center, one double crochet. And I like this separation, but if you want to make one single crochet or one half double crochet, you can also try. Then 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take the loop and one double crochet in another light. continue repeating the same as many times as we have light. You can make a lot of light and put it on your Christmas tree, something like that. Then you can see how I continue making the union. And I'm already made a union with a lot of light and one chain just for secure. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for making the union later on some place. And that's it. We already finished this Christmas light. I hope and you like it, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next Amigurumi, bye bye!